Are you looking for the best gaming PCs? In this video, we will look at some of the best gaming PCs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Alienware Aurora R14 Ryzen Edition. Alienware Aurora R14 Ryzen Edition specs. CPU: AMD Ryzen 9 5900 GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 RAM, 32 GB power supply, 850W storage, 1 TB SSD and 2 TB HDD cooling system. Liquid. The Alienware Aurora R14 Ryzen Edition is the best gaming PC you can buy right now. It's built with an AMD Ryzen 9 5900 CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card for all the power you need to play the hottest AAA titles and most graphically demanding games. The AAA titles and most graphically demanding games. The AMD Ryzen 9 5900 has a base clock speed of 3.0 GHz, which according to an April 2023 Steam survey, is the third most popular choice amongst AMD users. If you want more power, however, you can overclock the processor to a maximum speed of 4.7 GHz. And with dual storage drives, you'll have plenty of space for your entire game library, plus room to grow. A liquid cooling system works with the pre-installed fans to draw waste heat away from components, keeping everything running at optimal temperatures for better performance and power efficiency. The chassis also sports a unique, rounded design to stand out from the rest of the box style mid-size towers on the market. And with tool-less access, it's easy to open up the tower to clean out fans, reroute cables, or even upgrade components. Number 2. Lenovo IdeaCenter Gaming 5i. Lenovo IdeaCenter Gaming 5i specs. CPU: Intel Core i5 to 12400F GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 RAM, 16 GB power supply, 500W storage, 512 GB SSD cooling system. The Lenovo IdeaCenter Gaming 5i desktop is a great, budget-friendly option for both PC gaming novices as well as experienced gamers looking for an affordable rig. It's built with a 12th generation Intel Core i5 processor, 16 GB of RAM, a 512 GB SSD, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card. The case features an office-friendly design that's perfect for shared spaces or dual-purpose work gaming rooms, where RGB lighting may be a distraction, along with plenty of USB inputs. You'll also get Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity for wireless peripherals, as well as a VGA port for older monitors. And with support for up to 32 GB of RAM, you can upgrade and swap out components as your needs change in the future. Number 3. Corsair Vengeance i7400. Corsair Vengeance i7400 specs. CPU: Intel Core i7 to 13700K GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 RAM, 32 GB power supply, 850W storage, 2 TB SSD cooling system. Liquid. If you're an established Twitch streamer or gaming content creator, the Corsair Vengeance i7400 is a great option for a gaming rig upgrade. It's built with a 13th generation Intel Core i7 processor, 32 GB of RAM, a 2 TB SSD, and GeForce RTX 4080 graphics card. This configuration gives you plenty of power for rendering video files, editing thumbnails, and multitasking with streaming and gaming programs. It also gives you plenty of storage for raw and edited files, as well as your game library. The Vengeance i7400 also features a liquid cooling system to help better dissipate waste heat and keep your components running at optimal temperatures, especially if you like to overclock your CPU. And the mid-size tower design means that it's more compact, making it perfect for smaller desks and gaming spaces.